Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create a 3D animated logo with Nano Banana. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access this Nano Banana first, and you can also access it with this Google AI Studio. But if you would like to create it via Google Gemini AI, then it is very okay. And here I will open this, or I have opened this Nano Banana via Google AI Studio, and don't forget to do the login first with your email. And you can also simply choose the Nano Banana to create your own logo. And also the thing that you need to do is you need to decide what is the logo or the purpose of this logo. For example, I want to create the logo for my, let's say, YouTube channel or my organization or my business or brand, etc. And here I will show you the example I have here. I have tried to create the 3D logo for the YouTube channel, for example. And here I also put the name of the YouTube channel itself. For example, Cocinaria, because it was the main word of this name was cocinar, which is the word in Spanish that means cocinar, or it means cooking. And after that, you can put the simple prompt first to start off the generation process. For example, create the 3D logo and the color is dark brown, for example, like this. And there is the pen fry as the main element. Okay, because I would like to create the logo for my YouTube channel, and the niche for my YouTube channel is about cooking, or it means the cooking channel. So at least I also need to add the element that represent about my cooking channel. For example, the pan fry here, and also there is the word of this cooking of this pan pan fry. For example, there this is the pan fry and this is the fire, and this is the name of my YouTube channel, and this is the, I think this is the additional from after this Nano Banana after generate the prompt over here. And after waiting for a while, so this is the picture I have, or the logo I have. And if you would like to change something after this picture has been generated, it is okay. You can also put the prompt down here. For example, I want that this name or this font will change the font color, for example, to be golden and black outline. And after the generation process, this will be the result, but I still need the revision. For example, the cooking channel here, I want that this word, the font color of this cooking channel will be white and also black outline. And after waiting for a while, so this is the real result I have. I think this is very pretty cool, and also represent about the cooking channel itself. And there is the next step is to animate it. And here I choose this PixVerse because it is very simple. And after that, you can put the image here on the image or text section, and you can also put the prompt like this. But if you feel the difficulty to make the prompt, you can simply ask your favorite AI to create the effect of this logo to be animated and more lively. And after that, this is the example, and you can simply continue to click create here, And after that, the result will be like this, guys. I will show you. Okay, there's the fire, and the word of this cocina is like bouncing, and so does this pan, and also the cooking channel is moving a little bit. And you can simply download it with or without the watermark, and this will be ready to show into your YouTube channel or your platform. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.